So you want your money right? How SoFi makes money doing just that. Ever feel like the financial world is a maze designed to confuse you? You're not alone. Between student loan debt, mortgages, and investment options, it's easy to feel lost. That's where SoFi comes in, claiming to be your one-stop shop to get your money right. But how exactly do they make money while helping you with yours? Buckle up, because we're untangling the web of SoFi's business model. SoFi started by focusing on student loan refinancing, and their core business still lies in lending. But unlike a traditional bank, SoFi doesn't necessarily hold onto your loan for dear life. They use a strategy called securitization. Imagine a bunch of loans bundled together like a bouquet of financial flowers. SoFi can then sell this bouquet, or pool of loans, to investors on the open market. These investors are like excited bees buzzing around the loan bouquet, each hoping to get a sip of the sweet interest nectar those loans generate. Here's the beauty and complexity of it all. By selling off these loan pools, SoFi frees up capital to issue even more loans. It's like a financial snowball, growing bigger with each roll. But wait, there's more. SoFi doesn't completely wash their hands of these loans. They often keep a slice of the pool for themselves. This way, they still benefit from the interest payments borrowers make. It's a win-win. SoFi gets money up front from selling the loan pool, and they potentially earn additional income down the line. Now, securitization isn't the only trick in SoFi's bag. They also engage in whole loan sales. This is where SoFi sells individual loans directly to investors, one-on-one, instead of a big bundled package. Think of it like selling each flower separately from the bouquet. It gives SoFi more control over the sale but involves more legwork compared to securitization. So far, we've explored SoFi's lending world, their bread and butter. But remember, SoFi wants to be your all-in-one financial partner. That's where their Galileo platform comes in. Imagine Galileo as the engine powering SoFi's financial rocket ship. It provides technology and infrastructure to other financial institutions. Think of it as the invisible backbone allowing other companies to offer cool financial features like debit cards and money management tools. SoFi charges these institutions fees for using Galileo's tech, creating another revenue stream. Now, you might be thinking, isn't SoFi just another financial middleman? Not quite. By focusing on building a comprehensive financial ecosystem, SoFi aims to keep you engaged within their platform. They offer investment products, career coaching, and even a credit card. The more products you use, the more money SoFi potentially makes through fees, interest, and interchange revenue from credit card transactions. It's all about keeping you happy and financially involved within their ecosystem. So, there you have it. SoFi's business model is a combination of lending magic with securitization and whole loan sales, topped off with the technological muscle of Galileo. They keep the money flowing by originating loans, selling them off, and offering additional financial services to keep you engaged. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.